Hi, I'm Rachel from Jimmy Bean's Wool, and today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about block 6 of the Cascade Yarns Diagonal Afghan. Okay, so here I've got block 6, and you can see that it's got this really cool diagonal patterning going on with it here. And what's great about this pattern is that the diagonal shaping, or not shaping, but the diagonal patterning is made purely from knits and purls. So you really don't need to know any other stitches in order to do this square. So you get a little bit of a break from some of the more complicated ones that we've done so far, which is really nice. And you still get this really lovely texture from all of the purl bumps that you see here. Like all of these are just done by strategically placed purls. And then you've got stockinette in between. So what it does is you do have to pay attention while you're knitting, because it can be really easy to sort of get lost in the knits and the purls. You know, just make sure you're keeping track of where you're doing it on each part of the square. That would be my one caution with squares that are made up totally of knits and purls. So that's just the one thing to keep in mind. And if you did need a refresher on your basic techniques, just check out the link in the top of the video here, and we'll take you back to our basic techniques video. It'll show you how to do knit, purl, the slipping, because there are slipped edges here to keep a nice straight edge. So it'll show you how to do the slipped stitches on the edges, and then your knits and your purls and stuff like that. And your bind off and your cast on are your typical long tail and then your regular roll bind off. So there's nothing special to know there either. So yeah, it's beautiful squares, simple with the stitches, but it makes this beautiful textured result. All right, so that was everything you need to know about block 6 of the Diagonal Afghan. I'm Rachel from Jimmy Bean's Wool. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing, because we have a lot more yarn reviews, tutorials, and other fiber fun like that. Happy crafting!